हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में. So today I am going to talk about a very good free course and you will get certificate also for free certificate. We are going to talk about everything, and before also I have made videos on free certificate on free courses also. But the very first thing is that like these kind of courses are not for only certification. Certification के लिए बस certificate नहीं होता है. It is the value of the course they are providing, the value of the course, the value of the content they are giving, the value of the what we say platform they are providing, that is important. Okay, so we are going to talk about the today's course, that is upon AI and ML courses from Microsoft. So we will be talking about everything in this video, like how to apply, what is the course overview, what is going to happen in this course, when are the dates of this course, how can you apply. We are going to see everything, so don't need to worry about that thing. Let's start with the video. Before that, please hit that like button, go down and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my vlog channel, go in the description. When you will go down there, you will get a link of vlog channel. I have been posting many videos there also on vlog channel, so you can see those videos, because I have shifted from Gorakhpur to Bangalore. So you can see those videos, my journey, my everything on that channel. Videos are coming on that channel also. So let's start with today's video. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of what we say, how can we register of the Microsoft AI Classroom. So we will be seeing everything, and you can see that there are dates given. The first is the 25th January to 27th January. It is a 3 days. There will be different slots in this. It will be more like 3 to 4 hours courses. You have to attend that, you have to give exam, that is it. Okay, so let's see some more details. When you will scroll down, just scroll down and let's see that you can see here that it is being what we say collaborated with NASSCOM and Future Skills. You can Google these names. It is a very big name in IT industries, in these kind of things, and it is sponsored by GitHub. Okay, GitHub के बारे में पता होगा. If you are from IT background or if you are from programming background, you might be surely knowing about the GitHub thing. So when you will scroll down, you will see some things, how it works. When you will see here, there is a full plan is given that how it works. So the very first thing is that in the campus communication, when student receive emails, you will get emails and a registration link will be provided. Then you have to register on that. You have to attend online sessions. You have to receive when you will attend the sessions, you will receive a assessment link. When you will receive that assessment link, then you can give that link, and when you get like greater than or equal to 60%, 60% is a book par paate ho, you will get a certification. That is it, a certification course it is. So you will download it from here, and you can add to your skills in the LinkedIn profile. It has been given. You can add in your certification, you can add in your license, you can add there. So if you like if you get less than 60%, then there is one more thing. It has been given here that if you see here, if you can retake the assessment, that is not an issue. And when you scroll down here, you can see that there are different slots. As you can see, there are 3 slots. Three slots are there. That is on 25th Thursday, 25th February, and 26th February and 27th February. How to register? When you will see here is a full plan also. You can see all those things. Here are the speakers are very like renowned speakers. You can see their qualification, you can see their achievements, you can see everything here. From here you will get the link of this site in the description. Don't need to worry about that thing. And when you will scroll down, you can see the full session course is about 3 hours course is there. About the assessment, you can read here also that there will be 3 attempts. You will get 3 attempts to clear this assessment. Okay, so when you will scroll up, you can see suppose I want to register for 25th of February. I will click on register button. जब मैं रजिस्टर पर क्लिक करता हूँ, a site will come. It will redirect me to the event registration page, and here what you can do, here you can register. So as you can see on my screen, it is the basic registration page of Microsoft. You can scroll down, you can fill the details here. Here are the full details that you can fill from here to here. All the details you can fill: your first name, last name, email, phone, job role, company name. If your job role, if you are a student, then just fill student in this also. In the company name, your college name, in your country, in your company size, anything 0 1 anything. It is for the what we say survey purpose only. Not ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वहां से shortlist हो जाओगे, वहां से कुछ होगा. You all will get the invitation or at the what we say at the date of the when this course will be conducted. then you will click on this I'm not a robot and you will register here. When you will register, a link will come as as it is written here also, a link will come, and you have to verify that. It is very simple steps, you can do that. And after attending the on 25th February, when you will attend that, you will have to give the assessment, you will clear the assessment, you will get the certificate. That's it. So this was all about the today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button, because we have discussed everything in this video, like how to apply, what is the course overview, what is the everything we have talked about in this particular video. So you can just hit that like button. If you want, you can hit that like button, go down and subscribe to our channel. If you and if you haven't seen our vlog channel, you will go in the description, you will get the link of the vlog channel also. It will be very much beneficial for me also, and for interesting thing for you also. So you can just subscribe that channel too. So this was all about the video. Thank you for all this support that you all are giving me. Thank you for these all things. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.